light shining on that top part.
Okay.
And smiles. Beautiful.
I like the color. I like the style. It's a lot better than my bald head, that's for sure. This is just wonderful to, incorporate women who, struggle with hair loss.
I want to feel normal again, so this makes me feel normal.
EBeauty Community for Cancer Support partners with AdventHealth Parker, and we come together to bring cancer patients in for a special day of beauty. With our partners, Paul Mitchell Schools, they get their makeup and their hair done. They select several wigs, and it's just a lovely day of community. We've given over 100,000 free wigs to women all across the country so that they can thrive through their cancer journey and feel whole and not feel like a cancer patient.
Having a little bit of uplifting experience through all this, it's very, very helpful. It's very nice. Something positive to look forward to.
I think it makes me look younger.
I'm learning that I can still just be me. I can still be happy and having fun in the camera. It's a good vacation. It lets me know that I can create something new. I don't have to miss the old as much.
Made me feel like myself. Like I wasn't sick or going through this. I feel like I can walk out the door like this and people will think it's just the normal me.